What you guys, got another video here for you. In this one we're going to be taking a look at how to enable Windows 7 firewall login, and what this is going to do if you've got issues with your system, i.e. a program, or maybe you've got some suspicious activity going on and you want to actually try to find out what's going on by troubleshooting it. Then you can use this method temporarily to enable the Windows 7 firewall login, and what it's going to do is log all the activity on your network, i.e. what's going in and what's coming out of your machine. Okay, now this is great for malicious software, as I said, and broken programs and stuff like that that are active up and going out on the internet that you don't want. And it's a great way of tracking down. It will track all the TCP and UDP ports as well, and we're going to have a look at how to do it. It's pretty straightforward really, but I'll show you how to do it anyway. So we're going to come down to the start of the All button here, click on Control Panel, and once we've got Control Panel open, we're going to come down to Firewall. Now if you're looking at this category set up like this, you need to go to Security and System, or System and Security I should say, and click on that, and then what you want to do here is click on the Firewall. Now once you've got onto the Firewall settings, you're going to need to go into Advanced Settings here. Okay, now this will open up another window. Now once we get into here, this is our domain profile, private profile, and also public profile, which is active. Okay, so what we're going to do here is come up to Actions, click on Properties, and this will open up an actual box here for your domain, private and public. Okay, and as you can see here, it's allowing and blocking inbound and outbound, and what we want to do is change some settings in here. And all we need to do, you see the login part here, click on Customize, and you can see drop packets and also logged successful connections, and this is going to be good for tracking down activity on the network. So we're going to click yes to these, and you can also do that on private as well if you wish, and come down to login again. Now you can turn these off. It's not advisable to leave these on all the time. I would only recommend doing this if you've got issues with your system, if you've got some sort of problems and you want to track down, maybe you're getting packet loss, or maybe you've got malicious software, i.e. malware on the system. Okay, and you can find out the IP addresses for where it's being sent to. So okay, so let's click OK here, and you did see the path there, where it's going to be set to. Okay, now you can set this to up where you like, and you can set the size limit. Okay, but I'm not going to leave that in the actual location of it is, so you can see there. Okay, so let's take a look at the actual monitoring side of it, and where we're going to monitor what's going on with our system. And we can click on this little tab here at the bottom called Monitoring, or you can actually click on this little arrow here at the top here on the left hand side. And all you need to do here is click on Monitoring, and this will open up a little window, and as you can see it's saying public profile is active, and you go through this information here, and you can see where we've enabled this now, log drop packets and also log successful connections. This is what's going to do. It's going to actually log all this information on the system here on a log file, so we can actually track what's going on with our system. Maybe we've got drop packets on our network, or maybe we've got some issues with malware on the system that's running, that's actually sending and receiving connections, and you want to actually find out what's going on. Maybe you've got an issue. Okay, so you only use this method if you've got issues with your system. This is the actual destination of the actual log file. We don't need to go to that destination, we can just click on this, and as you can see this has only been running for a little bit of time, and already we've got heaps of information inside here. Okay, now you've got the actual time format, local, fields, date, time, action and protocol, and you can see here source IP, destination IP. That's how you read this log file. So basically you'd have the source IP at the beginning, destination IP there, the source port, and also the destination port and the size, and so on and so on. Okay, you just go through it like that, and this is how you determine what's going on with your system here. So we've got the actual IP address here, and you can see the received and also sent. Now some of this is going to be good traffic, i.e. from your router and stuff like that when you're using the internet, but if you've got something malicious going on, i.e. malware on the system, it's going to be sending out information and receiving information, and you can actually find out what's going on here. Or maybe you're getting packet loss and stuff like that, and you can actually track all this down here. And that's pretty much it really. It's pretty straightforward and pretty easy to do, but as I said, don't use this all the time. Just use this as a measure for testing and also trying to get some information for yourself. Okay, so that's basically how you enable firewall, Windows 7 firewall login on your system. It's pretty straightforward. So I hope you enjoyed it. My name is Brian from briteccomputers.co.uk. If you enjoy these videos, please remember guys, hit that subscribe button and show support by rating and favouring all my videos. And I'll be making more videos again in the future. So thanks again for watching guys, and thanks for your support. Bye for now.